To measure blood oxygen using your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is easy. Now start by ensuring that you're wearing your watch. Ensure that it's not too tight and it's not too loose and it's sitting just below your wrist, like so. From there, you're then just going to swipe through your tiles and look for the option blood oxygen. If you don't see it, you can go ahead and just add it manually. So select add tiles, scroll down, and under Samsung Health, select vitals and then choose blood oxygen so that you can add it. Now, once you've successfully added that tile, go ahead and select it like so, and then choose the option measure. Now, all you need to do now is simply just ensure that your watch is sitting perfectly on your wrist as you've been told. Put your elbow on a table, then hold your wrist near your heart and simply go ahead and now start measuring your blood oxygen. And then once you get your blood oxygen results, you can also choose to tag it. So you can choose to select an activity you are doing, or maybe you're just your general mood. And when you tag it like so, you can go ahead and just save it as your benchmark for when you're specifically in that sort of mood or after that specific exercise that you've just done. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.